Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of DINO Valley from CHAP-MEI from 2024 to 2025. As you can see, it's the DINO head bucket case, and this is a 45 piece. This is video part 1 of this beautiful playset. As you can see, there's quite a lot of carnivores. The arms can move, and some of the dinosaurs, the legs can move. Not all dinosaurs' legs can move, or arms. And this is a beautiful collection to add to your Lego city to make it a bit more realistic. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my contact info is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.